Confetti eggs is super easy. Every time that you are going to make eggs for breakfast or use them for any recipe, you need to crack them very carefully and take out all the egg. Then you need to put them facing down in your egg carton so all the egg comes out. This part is super important. You are going to wash very well the eggshell and you are going to take out the little film that is inside of the eggshell. Now you need to let them dry completely. Then in little containers I put a little bit of water and food gel color of different colors. Then I put the eggshells inside and leave them there overnight so the color is more vibrant. Now I am going to take out the eggs and I'm going to let them dry again. And instead of confetti, I am going to use the little paper that is inside of my puncher and I am going to fill the eggshells, and then I am going to use biodegradable tissue paper and I made a little mix of flour and water to glue it together. And that's it. This is how you make confetti eggs, and if you start making your eggs right now, you're going to have plenty for Easter.